sweet potatoes so much that I named one of my cats Sweet Potato. Not because he was orange, but because he was naturally sweet. Orange vegetables like sweet potatoes are so good for you that the USDA My Plate recommends eating 4 to 5 cups of orange vegetables a week. I didn't eat sweet potatoes until I moved to Louisiana. Then, the first time I ate them was a casserole with a marshmallow topping. Since then, I've developed an appreciation for an unadorned sweet potato. A simple, quick way to prepare a sweet potato is in the microwave, and it's one of my favorite ways to do it. First, I'm going to wash the skin, scrub it a little bit, and then I'm going to poke some holes in it and put it in the microwave oven for about 5 minutes. It depends on the size of the potato. The larger the potato, the longer it takes. So this is a pretty big potato. It might take longer than 5 minutes, but we'll see. So the reason I poke holes in it is so that it won't explode in the microwave oven. If when you take it out of the microwave oven it's not soft enough, like if you can't squeeze it or if it resists if you try to put a knife in it, then you can increase the cooking time. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which can supply you with great disease risk-reducing antioxidant phytochemicals. They are a source of dietary fiber, especially if you eat the skin. So, find ways to eat them without peeling them. To eat them without peeling them, dice them like this. Now we're going to check our sweet potato and see if it's done. What I want to check for is if it gives when I pinch it. And sure enough, this sweet potato is ready to cut. It's still a little hot. I'm going to slice it. Oh yeah, this is good. Look how beautiful. Oh, look how beautiful. That's that orange color that I was telling you about that is the beta-carotenoid color. That can be changed into vitamin A or, as I said, be an excellent antioxidant. What I would do with a roasted sweet potato like this is I might put a little bit of butter on it or toss some Louisiana pecans on there, nice toasted pecans to add a little crunch. Last year, we sliced sweet potatoes into 1/8-inch slices in the food processor. We tossed them with a little bit of olive oil and roasted those Louisiana sweet potatoes at 450 degrees for about 15 minutes. We served them to children at a taste test at the Knock Knock Children's Museum in Baton Rouge. They were a hit, and the children were coming back for seconds. You can make a bunch of them and serve them like chips with a yogurt dip. Finally, try our Harvest of the Month sweet potato quesadillas that include extra delicious and nutritious corn and black beans served with a Louisiana tomato salsa on the side.